Hey everyone, Allison here. Just made this cool water treatment process slider interaction, so I thought I'd show you all how it's done. As a general rule, I like to start out my projects by creating custom color schemes and custom fonts so that I can easily insert objects and text boxes without having to reformat them every time. The next thing I'm going to do is choose my story size. So for this one, I'm going to do 16 by 9. So I'm going to first select the right proportion and then enter the exact width. Next, I'm going to insert some rectangles along the bottom to show the progression of the water treatment process. So I'm just going to select the Insert tab and then click on Shape and select the rectangle. Now, once I've inserted my rectangle, I'm going to manually adjust the size so that it's exactly the size that I need it to be. Then I'm going to select my fill color from my predefined theme colors, and I'm going to select No Shape Outline. For each step, I'm going to add a number. So I'm going to type my number, and I'm going to align it left and up top. Now that I've got my rectangle all formatted like I want it, I'm going to add a state. I'm going to add a personalized state. I'm going to call it current. And I'm just going to change the fill color. And since my process has 8 steps, I'm going to copy paste my rectangle 7 times. Then I'm just going to align all my rectangles in the middle and distribute them horizontally with the handy Align tool. And finally, I'm just going to go through and manually change all the numbers. I want the learners to start off on step number 1, so I'm going to change the initial state of box number 1 so that it's current. Next, I'm going to add 8 layers to my slide. And I'm going to quickly rename each of the layers so that it corresponds to the step in the process. Next, I'm going to browse to the image that corresponds to each layer and insert it.